In this video, I'm going to demonstrate Torrey Scale app on Clover. When merchants open the app, what will come up first is the shop. This is where they can purchase scale that's compatible with Clover devices through our apps. So they can navigate through the series of different models and pick the scale that they want and add to cart, and then we'll process the purchase over the phone with them. There is also ability for them to go through the setup guidance, right? So they tell us what scale they have, and we tell them what are the steps to take to get the scale working with Clover. So basically, that's the function of the app. It's very similar to what we have with the CAS Scale app, except that this one targets Torrey brand and picks apart all the models that we have and sort of enables merchants to better understand what their options are as far as Torrey equipment is concerned in relation to Clover. Thank you.